welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So I hope everyone had a nice long weekend, July 4th, spending time with your friends or family for the July 4th firework, or just gathering, barbecue, or shopping online or shopping everywhere, because there's a lot of deals I saw. I was on vacation with my family, so like we just keep eating and then like spending time at the pool. So this came back. So I saw there's a deal on Perler.com. I don't know if anyone took advantage of that, but I kind of like passed or missed on this time. The deal was like 20% on $85, $25 on $100, and then like $30 on $125. And then the shipping, I noticed that it went up. Because I remember before it was like free shipping over $60, but now it's free shipping over $75. And I tried to put things in the cart, and then it wasn't like $75, so I had to pay a shipping for $13.99. So that was kind of expensive. I only have missing 1 or 2 colors, so I just decided to pass it this time, because I recently had a big order from Joann when they have a sale. So I got a lot of like mini beads that I need to work with. I would just went out with the toothpaste mini beads. So I just got that from Amazon. Yeah, but so today I want to show you some of the mini bead that I got, and then tell you how I organize it. So also I did a fail video about my vacation at Mexico. So if you're interested, feel free to watch them, and like I just want to share my moments, some memories that was really fun. And if you're interested going to Mexico, maybe check out my video about those resorts, but that will be coming up, so you should be seeing that soon. So today I'm gonna show you some of the mini beads that I got from the Joann order. So a lot of time people ask me where I get my beads. So locally, I would get it from Michael's or Hobby Lobby's, because they always have like 40% discount or like 20-30%. So it depends on what color that I need. So with like the basic color, I usually can get it from Michael's and Hobby Lobby's. Joann's is more like expensive, so unless you have like a really good deal, then I'll get it from there, because they also have like mini beads. And then I will also get it from perlerbeads.com, only with like a big order, because they charge an expensive shipping fee. So, and then once in a while they have a sale, so I would go to their website. Lastly is Amazon, because sometimes, because they are at the Prime membership, so you know I can get the beads within like a couple of days, so that will be really helpful. So these are the places where I got all my beads. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell, so you get notification when I post new videos. Oh, and one thing I need to mention, I just hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel, so thank you so much for all your support. Now I can do more things, like I can do live on my mobile, and I also can just like do a post, like not just a video. So they unlock those features, so thank you so much. Now I can do all that. And also I'll be planning for some more like live video on building 3D perlers, so make sure you are subscribed, and so you don't miss out any tutorials or video or live videos coming up. Okay, so this is my huge collection of my mini beads. I don't know if any of you work with mini bead as well, and also using them to build 3D perlers. I love building with these because they're so cute and small. And then like they usually those design, they're very like detailed. So I think I have every single color, except I use up all the toothpaste for my recent creation. So I already got more from Amazon. I'm waiting for that package. So you see how big this collection is, right? I love getting these back because they're very easy to use. But I noticed that there are some colors from Perler.com that you cannot order like individual bags. So what I would do is I ordered the entire like a kit. So I'm gonna show you. So the Perler.com, the Perler brand, they have these two tray for the mini beads. So then this one is, I don't know, I think they have names, but I forgot the names. So this one is like the regular colors, very basic. And then also like I can't even like buy like light pink, okay? But other color I think you can buy individual bags. And then this is the tray that I was talking about, that it has other colors here. Sometimes I need them, but I can't buy them individual bags, like 2,000 bags. So I would buy these trays and then organize them into each individual bag, so it's easier for me to use. The reason that I don't like to use the tray when I'm building is because one little shake, all the color will mess up, so you have to be very, very careful. Since it happened before that everything messed up, so it took me so much time to put them back together, and I figured a way to organize them. I don't like to use this entire tray when I'm building. And also you can see that right now, no matter what, however I'm shaking, it doesn't mess up because I add the rubber band, so it stays this way. But I'm gonna show you just a little bit how I organize them into little plastic bag into this different color. It's not that easy, but I'm gonna show you. However, if you know other ways, please comment below and let me know, so it will save my life, save my time. Okay. All right, so let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's get started. Here is the clock. We're gonna start at 11:01 and see how long does it take me to finish to sort all of these colors into those individual bags. First, we'll need this little scissor. If you've been watching my video, you know this scissor has been so helpful, especially using like mini beads or like fixing my perler pieces. So here I'm using it again. You can see that I'm very careful in this process because I want a clean cut on those tapes so then they will not mess up my tray. Now comes to my special tool. It's just a little spoon. Let's see how it works. So as you can see, I'm going to place these beads into individual color bags so that it's easier for me to work with them instead of using the tray. So now we got the all the colors for the first row. So let's set them aside. I'm going to show you how to do it. So sorting the perler beads are never easy, but these are already sorted with the color. We just have to place them into these little bags. So just take your time and just do it slowly. Place them onto the spoon and then slowly you will get there. So how about take a guess and see how long will it take me to sort all these beads into each individual bags. So take a guess. As you can see now, I'm going to use my nail because it's so much easier. If I continue using the spoon, I might spoon the bead to the other color. So I figure out my nail would be the special tools here. So I hope you took a guess already. I'm gonna go fast forward. Feel free to watch it to see how I'm gonna get it done, or continue watching until the end to see how long does it take me to finish this. I'm going to my last color. Oh my god, so beautiful. So looks like I spent 21 minutes so far. So let's finish this and see how long does it take total. Ooh, so I guess it took me 21 minutes to finish this task. Woohoo! That's nice. I'm gonna do another tray. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!